Hey guys, it's Young Wealth. Now today we're going to talk about what will make you more money in the 2025 bull run, right? XRP or XLM. Now in today's comparison, we are actually comparing 4,000 XRP versus 20,000 XLM, right? Now the first thing we're going to do is actually check how much it will cost to buy 20,000 XLM versus 4,000 XRP, right? Now it will cost you around 1.8 thousand or 1,800, as people say in America, right? 1,800 to have ownership over 20,000 XLM. Now, for most people, they don't want to invest that much in the XLM, which is understandable because when we look at the graph, over here, like it didn't perform or outperform the 2018 bull run in 2021. It just didn't happen, right? Now, when it comes to XRP, we can actually check how much it costs to buy 4,000 XRP, right? And it'd probably be something similar to that. Now, as you can see, it costs 2,100, right? Now, XRP did just get an appeal against them. The SEC has appealed the court hearing. Okay, so at the end of the day, like I just feel like SEC has an agenda towards XRPs. I feel like they know something that we don't. People have been saying for years, and even Simpsons predicted XRP will be at high amounts and it's going to be used. So it's like to the point where I feel like this coin is really something that can be used for cross-border payments and other stuff. But when it comes to both of them, why it's a fair comparison is because at the end of the day, they both can do the same thing. Now, we know XLM is more for personal transactions and personal cross-border payments, and XRP is for more business, B2B, like. But don't get it twisted, like they can both do vice versa. That's why it's a very, very good comparison right now. We're just going to get into it and actually break down what will make you more money right now. What we have over here is at the top, XRP from the 2020 to 2021 bull run, right? It went from the lows of 14 cents all the way to $1.59, and that was actually an 11x. And you have to bear in mind that this is at a market cap that was over 50 billion. So you have to bear that in mind, right? That's good performance for a coin that was in the tens of billion in market cap. Now, XLM, on the other hand, from 2020 to 2021, it was at lows of 3 cents and it went all the way to 64 cents, which was a 19x. Guys. So you can see that XLM actually outperformed XRP in the 2020-2021 bull run. And I feel like one of the main reasons is because, first of all, XRP was going through a lawsuit, which they're still going through to this day. And XLM actually has a lower market cap. So it has more potential to grow, in my opinion. I've kind of answered the question, what's better? But we're going to carry on right now. If you own 4,000 XRP and you held it from the bottom to the top in 2021, it would have actually made you $6,360, right? But if you had 20,000 XLM, which is cheaper to get, in the 2021 bull run, you would have had $12,800, which is, it just shows you that it's looking not too good for XRP. It's looking not too good for XRP right now in the comparisons. And the reason I say that is because, like, you're making twice as much money with XLM in 2021 that you did with XRP. Now, one thing we have over here, right, is if they go back to all-time high, what would that put you in the profit margin? Now, if you own 4,000 XRP, you would actually, it would take you to an all-time high of $3.84, and you would own or have $15,000 profit, $15,360 profit, right? And if you own 20,000 XLM, and you hold it to all-time high, which is around 93 cents, you would have $18,600. $18,600. So at the end of the day, it's like to the point where I had to really realize that when it comes to the comparison, I'm sorry, guys, I'm choosing XLM any day over XRP. Because it's just more in the clear, it's more in the green. When we look at Jen McCaleb, we feel like he actually is rubbing shoulders with the SEC, he's rubbing shoulders with these people that don't like crypto and against crypto, and they're cool with him. So at the end of the day, I don't think XLM will ever get called a security. Even when I checked the list of potential securities, XLM was not in that list. So I feel like it's just in the clear to actually perform. The only thing holding it back is narrative. As we know, I feel like this bull run is all about gaming and AI and layer one. So it's to the point where like I feel like XLM will not do the best in 2025, but I'm pretty sure and confident that I can still give you a decent 10 to 15x return on your money. With XRP, I don't know if it can even give us a 3x. I'm just being totally honest, right? Let's just look at the price of XRP. Like a 3x will be $1.50. I don't know if it's gonna do that because like history tends to repeat itself. Over here it went to $3.84. Okay. Then next bull run after that, it only performed to around $1.60. So at the end of the day, it's like if we do a 3x, that takes us to around $1.50. A 4x is $2. 3x, 5x is around $2.50. So we can probably reach the heights of like a 3 to 4x if I'm being honest. But with XLM, on the other hand, I just truly believe that it can go to 90 cents to $1. And that's over a 10x from here. So at the end of the day, I would choose XLM over XRP. And the main reason I'm doing that is because of the evidence I've just showed you on these graphs, right? Because of the evidence I've showed you on these graphs, it just makes me more attracted to buying something that's cheaper in market cap than XRP is. And it hasn't got any bearish sentiment right now when it comes to is the SEC actually going to take XRP out of the market, which is impossible, by the way. They can only take it off centralized exchanges. They can only take it off centralized exchanges. So at the end of the day, like XRP will always be on the market, but that's not the issue. If the coin's not attractive to the retail, they're gonna stay away from it. If the coin's not attractive to billionaire investors, it's like they will stop investing into XRP and put money into XLM because they pretty much do the same thing. They can both do what each other does in 3 to 5 seconds, cheap fees and all of that. So it's like we know that XLM is more focused and more zoned in with personal P2P transactions, and XRP is more focused on B2B transactions. So it's like, and just because they are more focused on those transactions, it don't mean they can't do vice versa. They both can do what the other one does. They can both do what the other one does. So at the end of the day, it's a very interesting scenario here. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna try to post these videos very consistently. It's my 4th or 5th day of posting 6 videos a day. I do start this job next week, so it's gonna get tricky, but I'm gonna still try and maintain 6 videos a day even with the job. So it's full time, but I'm still gonna try and find a way to make these videos full time. 6 videos a day. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm out. Peace.